Hey guys, Jay here with Rogers Motor Cars. Today we have got a 2022 Audi A6 Premium Plus. This one's got 42,000 miles. It's a one owner, clean Carfax, clean title. Very nice car, really nice Pirelli P0 tires. Sourced this car from a friend of mine and previous client as well. We've done a lot of business together and we're friends here local in Houston. So it's always good when you know the original owner of a car. Very meticulously maintained, excellent service records. This one's got that blackout night package on it where all the trim is blacked out. Take a look inside. You got the Audi symbols there and your puddle light. Very, very clean, non-smoker. We've got 2 keys and all the books. This seat here. It's low mileage for 2022 also. It's got the 3D rear camera, heated seats, navigation. Of course, sunroof. Got the all-weather mats in there. There are carpet mats in the trunk. They're brand new. We took them out of the box. Never been used, so if you prefer the carpet, we can put those in there. It's got the Bang & Olufsen sound system. The wheels are not curbed. Front and rear sensors. A lot of nice features on these cars. If you need financing, we have some options. If you've got your own bank, you can certainly bring your own bank, no problem. You can do a deal on distance. I can ship this car to you anywhere in the country, enclosed trailer or open trailer. I can get you some quotes. If there's any additional pictures you'd like or videos, I have no problem providing that. Just give me a call and we can get that done for you. So hope to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Got a lot of cool cars coming in this week, so I post a lot on stories and shorts on YouTube, so you can see what's coming in the pipeline. Maybe it fits you and you can reach out before I put it on the market. So hope to talk to you. Thanks for watching.